What's up, fellow Cremains? Here's how you can get the Reindeer Cloak in Crimson Desert. Just a reminder, you need to have the focused Force Bomb ability on Chapter 4 of the main story to proceed on getting this item. Now I know it's kinda goofy, but the Reindeer Cloak does have its own purpose. While it provides 3 points in defense and a level 5 ice resistance buff, it also serves as a deer disguise. Perfect if you're hunting deer for their leather and a good combo with other hunting items. It's found at the bottommost part of Hernan, and aligns vertically with the letter E. It's southwest of the Scalastone Institute, and if we zoom in, it's around at the end of this path. When you make your way there, you'll find a cave, with a wall that's got shimmering rocks on the other side. Just approach it and enter focus mode. Charge up a force bomb, and when a gold orb appears, aim and release the energy towards it. If you hit it right, the rock blocking the tunnel will fade away, and you'll gain access to the chest inside. Loot the chest and you'll get the Reindeer Cloak. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.